Hi, I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal magazine. Today I'm going to be telling you all about the Sjoberg Elite 2000 Workbench. And believe me, there's a lot to discuss. Sjoberg is perhaps the premier workbench on the market today. And the Elite 2000 is a high-quality workbench with tons of great features. Let's do a quick walk around to get started. The first thing to note is that the bench is very substantial. This is important. Workbenches need to be heavy enough so they do not move around as you work on them. Next, high-quality benches will have a flat, stiff top. The Elite 2000 has a solid beech top that is more than 3 inches thick, which is just the ticket. Note also that the laminated pieces of beech that make up the top run the entire length of the worktop. A nod to quality. Beech is a dense and dimensionally stable hardwood. 2 vices, one on the side and the other at the end, and they are built so they don't rack and are easy to operate. Another feature is the 1-inch diameter dog holes laid out in a highly practical pattern and hold-fast holes on the legs. And you can't beat ample storage. Now I can almost hear you saying, this is a very cool bench, but I'm a power tool woodworker, not a hand tool guy. And while it is true that any kind of advanced hand tool woodworking is almost impossible without a quality bench, this bench will make your time in the shop better, regardless of the type of woodworking. I think you get the idea. Now, I totally understand how a bench like this may be beyond the means for some of us. And frankly, it's aspirational for me in my shop at home. But Sjoberg makes smaller benches that are a bit more affordable. You should check them out at rockler.com. And as my dad liked to tell me, buy the best you can afford and you'll only cry once. And I can tell you that I've not met anyone who has regretted getting a Sjoberg bench. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and maybe learned a thing or two about Sjoberg benches. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworker's Journal. Keep on making sawdust.
We are here to help you today. Today we'll talk about a sound in Swedish that many people find very tricky. It's the sound, also known as I have something in my throat and want to spit it out sound.
Sjoberg. Simple. Sjoberg.